Hi guys, today I have this Japan brand Megabars dark sleeper. So let me tell you about this. The size of this lure is 3 inches and the size of this lure is 3 inches and the weight of this lure is 3 by 4 ounce and the price is 540 rupees. So guys, this is very nice lure. It is a bottom swim bait and I'll just show you the colors. This is one of the color and you can see the hook is inside the fin. So this you can see the color is very nice, very elegant color. This is the second color. You can see the tail action. And this is the third. You can see the tail action. Guys, this is available with Mayekar and Sons Fishing Tackle. To order this, quickly visit our website or else visit our store. Thank you.